This is not a normal car body. This is Ferrari, built by hand. Every Ferrari begins as a bare structure, lightweight, perfectly balanced. Aluminum panels are carefully shaped. Before painting begins, the body is carefully cleaned and prepared. Any dust, even a microscopic particle, can ruin the finish. Ferrari paint is applied in multiple layers. Each layer is more than just color. After every coat, the body must rest and cure. Temperature and humidity are tightly controlled. Human inspectors examine the surface by hand. If even a tiny flaw appears, the process starts again. This is why Ferrari paint looks deeper, richer, and alive. Not just by machines, but by skilled human hands. Each panel is measured, aligned, and checked again. Even a tiny mistake is not allowed. Once the body is complete, it enters Ferrari's paint facility. This is one of the cleanest rooms in the factory. Ferrari does not rush paint. They build it in layers. Each coat is applied slowly, then polished by hand. Special lights reveal every detail. If a flaw appears, the process starts again. This is why Ferrari paint looks deeper, richer, and alive. The body is now complete, ready for the next stage.
This is the heart of a Ferrari, the engine. Ferrari engines are not mass-produced. They are assembled, piece by piece. Each component is placed by hand. Crankshaft, pistons, valves. Every movement is slow, precise, controlled. Tolerances here are extremely tight. Before the engine is installed, it goes through individual testing. Each engine is balanced by hand. Rotational forces are carefully adjusted. Ferrari engineers fine-tune the engine for smoothness, not just raw speed. Sound is also calibrated. The engine must feel powerful, but refined. Vibration levels are measured precisely. Any irregularity, and the engine is corrected. This process ensures every Ferrari engine feels unique. Even a microscopic error can affect performance. Once assembled, the engine is tested, not just for power, but for balance and smoothness. Ferrari doesn't build engines to be loud only, they build them to be perfect. Power is carefully calibrated, speed is controlled, response is refined. Sensors monitor every detail, temperature, pressure, vibration. Only after passing strict checks is the engine approved. This engine is now ready to be fitted into the car and bring the Ferrari to life. This is where Ferrari becomes personal. The interior. Nothing here is ordinary. Every surface is designed to be felt. Leather is selected by hand. Only the finest pieces are used. Each stitch is placed carefully by craftsmen, not machines. The dashboard is assembled slowly. Buttons, controls, displays, everything is positioned for the driver. Carbon fiber and fine materials are finished with extreme care. The steering wheel is balanced perfectly, designed for control and emotion. Seats are shaped for comfort and support, tested again and again. Every detail inside this Ferrari is inspected under strict standards. This interior is not just luxury, it is precision, craftsmanship, and passion.
This is the moment everything comes together. The engine is carefully lowered into place, aligned with absolute precision. Wiring, systems, and components are connected one by one. The handcrafted interior is fitted into the body. Every bolt is tightened to exact specifications. Nothing is rushed. Suspension, brakes, and wheels are installed with perfect balance. The car slowly takes its final form. Panels are aligned, gaps are checked, details are refined. This is no longer a collection of parts. This is now a Ferrari, alive.
testing, software, and final perfection. This is the final stage, testing. Every Ferrari goes through strict inspections. Nothing is assumed. Everything is proven. Software systems are installed and calibrated. Engine response, steering, suspension. Each system is tested together as one machine. The car is checked for performance, stability, precision. Every sound is evaluated. Every vibration is measured. Even comfort and smoothness are carefully tested. Only after passing all requirements is the Ferrari approved. This is not just quality control. This is final perfection. The Ferrari is now complete.